If your shade will not roll up, the spring tension may be too loose. To fix this issue, pull the shade out of the window. You may need a stepladder for this if your window is a little high. Roll the shade up by hand and put it back in the window. Test the tension. If it is still too loose, repeat this process until the desired amount of tension is attained. If your shade is simply having a hard time staying down or rolls up too fast, that means your spring tension is too high. To resolve this issue, pull the shade out of the window and roll it down about 18 inches by hand. Put the shade back in the window and test the tension. Repeat this process until the desired amount of tension is attained. If you have any further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us either at SelectBlinds.com or give us a call at 888-257-1840.